Okay, guys. I thought I would do some programming tonight, and I thought, what the heck, I'll put it in a video just in case anybody cares. I want to add a delete button to my RSS app that I went over last night, um, so I can remove feeds. Because I think there's one feed that I subscribe to that I don't really like, so I want to get rid of it. And rather than do it in the database, I might as well code it. So I'm using Prisma as a database ORM, and I'm using Remix. So let's start. I'm gonna fire up Visual Studio Code. I don't think I have
New
it
remix
open.
schema dot Vilebrican
Oh, I
schema dot
do have it open. Okay. Um,
Avvid.tsx editor has
I'm gonna go
Avvid.tsx
to Manage
files explorer
Route.
level 2 components not selected collapsed level 1 app not selected expanded 2 of 21 level 3 feeds not selected expanded collapsed level 2 routes not selected expanded 3 of 10 migrations not selected collapsed 1 of level collapsed node line module readme.m cache not app not selected expand level 2 routes not level 3 cats not selected feeds not selected collapsed expanded level 4 manage.tsx not select
There we go.
main landmark manage.tsx editor has
Alright,
autocomplete
so
multi-line less
I'm
h2
going
greater
to
assign feed
first
to
add the button. Let's see what we got
blank
here.
right less slash greater right brace right paren less slash form greater less slash button update greater value equals quote change quote name equals quote line action quote type equals quote submit quote class name equals quote btn dash sky dash 600 quote less button less input type equals quote hidden quote name equals quote feed quote value equals left brace f dot id right brace slash greater less slash div greater less slash select greater left brace options right brace less button
Okay, so I'm going to copy this
less
button.
less button selected class
I'm going to
name
make a
equals
delete
quote submit
button.
quote name equals quote line action quote value selected equals quote change quote greater selected update selected e selected less slash button selected greater selected
Alright,
less slash form greater less blank make update u
so this will be
update
delete.
selected d, d manage.ts suggest list f1 of 83 suggest list category id 1 of 5 description manage.tsx less slash form great less slash but delete left brace f dot n right brace n dot n right brace n suggest list new statement 1 of 2 manage.tsx editor has autocomplete multi-line delete left brace f dot n a right brace
Oh,
a
it's
n
the title, I
dot
think I called it.
suggest list category id 1 title
There we go.
manage.tsx e right brace line feed
I can remember what I called the property.
less slash button delete left
Alright,
greater value name equals quote line action quote value equals quote change quote v a l u e equal quote c g e quote quote quote
so I have, in Remix, you can have multiple submit buttons, do different things by just naming them a name and then setting a value. So I have the name as action and the value is change for update and delete for um, deleting. So now I go up here to my action. I don't think there's any TypeScript errors. Let me
no
see.
problems have been
Yep,
detected
no
mainland
TypeScript errors yet.
import 1 of 8 found
Action.
use action data 1 of 18 found for action at 3:6 export const action colon
There we go.
action function equals async left manage dot const data equals await request dot form data left const feed equals data dot get left paren quote feed quote right paren semi const category equals data dot get left paren const line action equals data dot get const user equals await auth dot is authenticated left paren request left brace failure reader right brace right if left paren line action equals quote add quote right paren left brace invariant left paren category and type of category equals quote string quote quote category must not be null right paren, await Prisma dot, data colon, right brace right, return JSO, success colon, message colon, quote category added successfully. Quote, right brace else if left paren, line action equals quote change quote right paren, invariant left paren. Category and type of category equals quote string quote. Quote category must be a string quote. Right paren, invariant left paren, feed and type of feed equals quote string quote. Quote, if left paren, parse int left paren, category right paren, less equals 0 right paren, left brace. Return JSO and less action data greater left paren, left brace. Success colon, false. Message colon, quote you must select a category. Quote, right brace, await Prisma, data colon, blank, where colon, right brace, return JSO and less action data greater left paren, left brace. Success colon, true. Message colon, quote category changed successfully. Quote, M, S, G, colon, right brace, right brace. Right brace right paren, semi, right brace, blank. Return JSO and less action data greater left paren, left brace success colon, true right brace right paren, semi. Blank.
Okay, here's where I put my next else. So else.
List.
If action
Suggest list. Line action 1 of 7. Manage.tf
equals.
equals n.
I did put 3.
Suggest list. Line action 1.
Delete.
Right brace. Blank.
Okay, so I'm gonna check feed and make sure it's
Invariant. Manage.tsx
not,
editor has autocomplete multi-line invariant.
make sure
Condition
it's
colon. Suggest.
make sure it's a type string.
Suggest list. This one of 8. Type of. Manage.tsx.
I'm using NVDA
Suggest
and you
list.
can hear it's reading the IntelliSense, which is very nice.
Suggest string. Manage.tsx editor has G, quote. Right paren. Message colon, string bar left paren.
Feed must be a string.
G, quote, right line feed. Made 6 formatting edits on line 60.
Let's see if I got any TypeScript there.
No problems have been detected.
Nope.
Main
Okay,
landmark.
great.
Manage.tsx editor has auto line feed.
Alright, now I'm going to. I have a users table and a feeds table, and I have a subscribe table that joins both of them. So I need to delete the feed out of the subscribe table first. So I'm going to do await.
Manage. Suggest list. Subscribe. Manage.ts. Suggest list. Prisma.subscribe.d. Prisma.subscribe.del. Delete 2 of 3.
No.
Manage.tsx editor has auto. Args colon, left brace select colon, Prisma.subscribe select bar null bar undefined semi, include colon. Suggest list, where 1 of 3.
Where?
Manage.ts. Args colon, left brace where colon, suggest list, args colon, left brace. Manage.tsx, await Prisma.subscribe, right brace. Suggest list, feed ID line user ID. 1 of 1. Manage.tsx, await Prisma.subscribe, D, right brace. Manage.t, suggest list, form 1 of 8, manage. Suggest list, feed 1 of 82. Manage.t. Manage.ts, right brace, args colon, left brace select colon, Prisma.subscribe select bar null bar undefined semi. Suggest list, feed ID line user ID. 1 of 1. Manage.t.
TypeScript is going to like this, but let's see.
User. Suggest list, line JSON, ID. Manage.tsd, right paren, line feed. Made 8 formatting edits on line 61. Showing 1, problems tree view. Level 2 error generated by TS colon, type left brace feed ID colon, number semi, user ID colon, string semi, right brace is not assignable to type subscribe where unique input. Object literal may only specify known properties, and feed ID does not exist in type subscribe where unique input. At line 60 and character 16. This problem has references to 1 locations. Expanded 1 of 1. Level 3 the expected type comes from property where which is declared here on type left brace select colon, subscribe select bar null bar undefined semi, include colon, subscribe include bar null bar undefined semi, where colon, subscribe where unique input semi, right brace at line 3718 and character 5 in index.d.ts 1 of 1. Main landmark, index.d.ts, right brace, where colon, subscribe where unique input. Right brace, blank, blank, slash star star. Star subscribe delete many. Star slash, export type subscribe delete many args equals left brace. Slash star star. Star filter which subscribes to delete. Star. Star star slash, where colon, subscribe where input. Right brace.
Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna have to use delete many here.
Manage.tsx, where colon, left brace feed ID colon, await prisma.subscribe.delete left paren, a, dot, sub, dot, delete, left paren, e, left paren. Suggest list, prisma.subscribe.delete m1 of 2. Delete many 2 of 2, manage.tsx edit. No problems have been detected in the main landmark. Manage.
TypeScript is happy again. Alright, so I got the deleted out of there. Now I need to check
where colon, right brace right paren, right brace. Right brace right paren, semi. Line feed.
Now I need to check and see if there's anybody else subscribed to that feed before I delete the feed from the database. So let's see, I'm going to do
manage.t dow
feed exist equals delete
suggest list $connect 1 of 15. Subscribe. Manage.ts suggest list prisma.subscribe. Find many 2 of 2. Manage.tsx args colon left brace select suggest list args colon left brace where colon any semi right brace bar undefined dash arguments to filter and select certain fields only dot find 0 or more manage.ts colon right brace args colon left brace where colon args colon feed ID 2 of 2. Manage.tsx editor has auto Manage.tsx edit right paren right brace right paren line feed made 8 formatting edits on line 6 const does feed exist equals await prisma.subscribe.find many left paren left brace where colon left brace feed colon parse int left paren feed right paren right brace right paren right brace const does feed exist showing 2 problem warning generated by slint colon does feed exist error generated by ts colon type number is not assignable to type left paren without less feed relation filter feed where input greater and feed where input right paren bar left paren without less feed where input feed relation filter greater and feed relation filter right paren bar undefined at line 62 and character 70 1 of 2 level 2 main landmark
what did I do here?
C await pris dot sub dot find many left where colon left brace feed e d colon
feed ID
suggest list feed ID manage.t
try that, see if that makes sense.
Showing 1 problems tree view warning generated by slint colon does feed exist is assigned a value
Yeah, that'll be used.
Line feed where colon left brace feed ID colon blank right brace right paren semi where colon, right brace right paren, semi, line feed, right brace, blank, right brace, blank.
If
Suggest list, data 1 of 100, does feed exist? Manage dot, suggest, last index of, length, manage dot,
greater 0, so wait,
right, 0, greater,
if it's equal to 0,
line feed, right, line feed,
now we want
left
to
brace, right
remove
brace,
the
blank,
item, and then remove the feed, so wait,
a y, space, t, o, I, list, circle manage dot t, suggest list, p1 of 1, Prisma, manage dot, suggest list, $connect 1 of 15, item, manage dot t, suggest list, Prisma dot, Prisma, Prisma, Prisma dot, Prisma, manage dot tsx editor has auto, suggest list, where, manage dot t, args colon, left brace where colon, left, args colon, left brace, feed id, manage dot tsx editor, d, I, d, right brace, manage dot tsx, right paren, line feed, made 6 formatting edits on line 66.
I'm deleting the items first so that it will let me delete the feed without complaining about there being child records that it can't remove. So now that I've deleted the items, now I'm going to delete the feed. Oh wait,
manage, suggest list, subscribe, suggest list, Prisma dot subscribe,
no, not subscribe.
1, managed, await Prisma dot sub, await Prisma dot subs, manage, suggest list,
delete,
Prisma dot feed dot delete, Prisma dot feed dot delete, manage dot,
where,
args colon, left brace where colon, manage dot, args colon, suggest list, args colon, for each equals greater, for manage dot tsx, suggest list, manage dot tsx editor, right paren, right brace, right paren, line feed, made 6 formatting edits on line,
see if TypeScript is happy with that.
showing 1, problems tree view, error generated by ts colon, type left brace feed id colon, number semi, right brace is not assignable to type feed where unique input. Object literal may only specify known properties, and feed ID does not exist in type feed where unique input.
Oh, I know, it's ID,
main
not
landmark,
feed ID.
right brace right brace, right feed, left parse int, colon, feed, left brace, space, f, e, e, d, I, d. No problems have been detected in the workspace. Section, main landmark, manage.tsx.
Alright, now we're ready to test it out. I'm gonna fire Remix.
Screencastify, manage,
return something.
Right brace.
Because Remix
right
yells at
brace.
you if you don't return something from your action.
Blank.
So, say return.
Manage.tsx editor has autocomplete.
JSON.
Manage. Suggest list. Action data 1 of 2. Manage.ts. A. Line feed. Data colon. Suggest. Manage.tsx editor has autocomplete multi-line. Suggest list. Message. Manage.tsx.
Your category was deleted.
Quote, right paren, line feed, made 6 formatting edits on line. No problems have been detected in the workspace.
There we go, that's what I like to hear. Now I'm gonna try.
Screencastify, new remix app, Vilebrican re-audit, Slack Star the Magnificent, Spotify Road 2, Manage.tsx RSS Reader, Manage.ts, Run Dialog, Text unavailable, C, Windows.
RSS Reader Remix.
C, Dev RSS Reader Remix.
npm run dev.
Greater dev. Greater concurrently npm run dev css remix dev 0 0 greater dev css 0 greater tailwinds wi./style/. 1 remix app server started at http 1 optical disk built in 2.2s.
Yeah.
0 done in 624 milliseconds.
Okay, so there's no errors, so let me go.
Manage. Screencastify screen video recorder is sharing your screen and audio. New remix app Google Chrome. New remix app Google toolbar. Host 8. Select 0 0 0 selection. Local host 3000 selected. Document busy blank. New remix app document. Banner landmark navigation landmark. Visited link login. Visited link donate with. Visited link login. Main landmark head. Visited link login. Main landmark sign in with auth 0. Document busy. Main landmark. Email address edit. Password. Show password button. Continue. Continue with Google button. Document busy blank. New remix app document. Banner landmark navigation landmark clickable visited link home. Visited link connect to visited button logout. Visited link donate with PayPal. Visited link view unread item. Visited link view all items. Visited link add feed. Visited link manage categories.
There we go. Manage categories. How should change that to manage categories and feeds.
Health 0 link news technology testing uncategorized main landmark name edit has autocomplete blank add button Vox all combo box news collapsed update button delete Vox all button NYT greater top stories update but delete NYT greater top stories button NYT greater technology greater update but delete The Verge all posts combo box technology collapsed update delete Lifehacker combo box technology collapsed update delete clickable button mainland Lifehacker delete The Verge all posts button. Alert your category was deleted successfully.
Hey, it looks like a success. Now, is it on the
main landmark
anymore?
Lifehacker combo delete update NYT greater technology greater delete NYT greater top stories button update button NYT greater top stories delete Vox all button update Vox all add button name edit has autocomplete add button.
No, it's not. Good. Let me just
Tab
go
remix
to
row 1
console, make sure I don't have an
manage.tsxr
error.
remix row 1 screen cap manage.ts new remix app Google remix row 1 remix 1 get slash feed slash 1 get slash 1 post slash 1 get slash 1 get slash 1102.379 milliseconds 1 get slash callback code equals POHTX ETA MSHJGNZ9CEZKBB4 1000 1 get slash 200 1 get 1 get slash feed slash 1 get slash blank bottom blank.
Yeah, okay. No errors. Great. Looks like I did it. Now I'm going to run command to deploy it.
Manage.ts new remix app Google Chrome screencastify screen new manage remix row 1 column 1 of 7 remix window.
I didn't make any changes to the database, so I don't have to do any database
Left arrow.
migrations.
C. Dev RSS Reader Remix Grader.
To do npm run deploy.
Grader deploy. Grader FLYCTL deploy remote only. Grader verifying app config. Grader verified app config. Grader building image. Waiting for remote builder fly builder young snowflake 8977. Remote builder fly builder young snowflake 8977 ready. Equals 5F7 38 deployment 165534 4 1 desired 1 placed 0 healthy 0 unhealthy.
I'm deploying
1 desired 1 placed 0 healthy 0 unhealthy health checks 1 total.
1 passing. Come on. Come on.
1 passing.
There we go.
Grader V51 deployed successfully.
Yay!
C. Dev RSS Reader Remix Grader.
I'm using Fly.io, which I really have had some pretty good success with. I just made a simple remix app and selected Fly and followed the README, and everything works out pretty well. I created a Postgres database on Fly, and you can connect to it from the outside by proxying my port, or I can connect to it from the internal, from my app, using the connection string, using an environment variable. So I'm pretty happy with that. Let me go to my real app and see if it works there.
Manage.tsxrss reader. New remix app. Google Chrome row 1. New remix app.
Let's
Toolbar.
see.
Dot access. Dot unselected. Dat r s c o. Document busy blank. New remix app document. Banner landmark navigation landmark clickable visited link home. Connect to Pocket link. In-stop. Log out button. Donate with PayPal. View unread items link. View all items. Add feed visited. Manage categories visited. Health, 1, visit, news, 2, visited link. Technology, 3, visited link, uncategorized, 0, main landmark, name edit has auto, add, box all, update but, delete box all, NYT greater health, update but, delete NYT greater welcome, update, delete NYT greater top store, update, delete national review combo box, update, delete, CNET news combo box technology collapsed, update button, delete CNET news button. Alert your category was deleted successfully.
Yay! And it worked as well.
Clickable button.
Let me just do a refresh to see if that brings down the total count
New remix app doc.
in my category list.
Banner
back to 0, which is what I
log,
would
donate,
expect.
view unread items, view all item, add feed visit, manage category, health, 1, news, 2, technology, 0, visited link.
There we go. It was 3 before, but that was the only feed in my technology feed, and there's 3 got removed, so back down to 0. Alright. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this little coding exercise. Now you know a little bit more about how I code being a blind developer. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I will attempt to answer them. Thanks. Bye.